Alright, we're looking at some genius construction tips and hacks that professionals use every single day. Simple ideas, but they completely change how things are built and finished. Let's jump right in. If you usually hire a crew to collect branches every harvest, this branch sweeper is a total game changer. One machine can do the work of an entire team. Even the construction site isn't safe from the power of these machines. This man carefully wraps the concrete pillar with plastic, not for leisure, but to lock in moisture. By doing so, he allows the concrete to cure properly, ensuring the structure becomes strong and durable for years to come. Concrete isn't just strong, it's artistic. In skilled hands, a plain facade can become a beautiful old-style wall. With this kind of setup, it feels like we've gone back to ancient pyramid times. Check out how you can improve your home's interior with just a few wooden planks and rivets. No doubt, this man did a really great job. When accuracy matters, there's no room for guessing. The Franklin Sensor's Pro Sensor M210 shows you exactly where the studs are. What a nice tip. I'm honestly speechless at their craftsmanship. The way they transformed it into an old-style home is amazing. We all have leftover holes from screws in the wall, but this worker seems to be enjoying his work. Here's a fascinating multifunctional tool that's perfect for bending, cutting, and connecting various cables. Plus, it can help tighten screws. How to install a screw securely to lift the tile effortlessly without worrying about breaking it. Turn leftover tree waste into functional furniture. With a chainsaw and a power washer, you can create comfortable seating from natural materials. This man has just created a galaxy in his room. Because of this expert, the entire street will be completed in just a few hours. This is how professionals fit carpet perfectly. They use a special tool to tuck the carpet tightly against the baseboard, ensuring a clean finish. Just cut out the bottom of the cup and boom! Now that's teamwork. Together they make it look like they can move mountains. This worker is about to show you a secret function of a pencil, so pay attention. It may look easy, but remember that these painters have no room for error. little wood glue and super glue, you can say goodbye to visible joints in woodworking. Thinking of tossing your old pliers? Don't they make excellent brick grabbers? Notice how the fire expertly handles the white granite, or more specifically, the stains on it. You could say this is the perfect combination of strength and precision in action. This self-made trenching machine instantly backfills excavated soil and saves days of exhausting manual labor by automating the entire process. The Chinese have found a great way to fix roads. The secret to a full-body workout for roofers, prying and lifting weights every single day. This metallic decorative finish creates luxurious accent walls, offering a high-end look without the $10,000 gold price tag. Here's a clever way to keep paint fresh without any messy spills. Working on ceiling seams can be pretty nauseating, but it doesn't have to be if you know the right technique and have the best tools for the job. Forget Amazon drones delivering packages. What we really want is the EvoBot. Playing dominoes could be your secret to becoming a pro builder. I need these stilts so I can finally get into that cabinet over the fridge. He is a genius. He was tired of the same old hammer design, so he just built it. Here's a true example of genius engineering. Watch as a massive precast concrete water tank is built. Here it is. Virtual reality has arrived at our doorstep. Holograms are so lifelike that you'll want to touch them to make sure it's not just a trick. This man is really skilled. This handy cutting tool makes it super easy to cut cold appetizers by hand. There's even a profession dedicated to cleaning sewage. It may look small, but it can handle big tasks. A brilliant solution executed with such precision, a rounded wall is no problem for the craftsman, all done perfectly as planned. How about painting walls with a 6-meter roller? It allows a few people to do the work of an entire crew in half the time. Turn old car parts into a smart solution for replacing long boards on a heavy-duty twin-axle trailer. No screws, no cutting required. Everything about this video is simply beautiful. Physics seems a little wrong here. Quickly applying the pattern of wood fibers with the help of a stencil. A coin can do a lot of things. Turn an ordinary ceiling into a fun circus tent playroom using a creative texturing technique with duct tape. Do you think this pipe is endless? This man just saw a problem and he fixed it quickly. With just a couple dozen bricks and this simple method, you can make your window look stunning. Why pull cables by hand when you can use car power instead? This method makes electrical installation much easier and faster. The worker paints the wall incredibly quickly. The unusual Gorilla hair cover solution makes for a captivating video to watch. Here's the best kept secret for sanding a hull. It's a stroke of genius. Not only is the container easy to puncture, but the release of bulk materials is carefully controlled by a special mechanism built inside. This suspended sifter uses gravity to separate sand without electricity, producing clean material efficiently. I've always believed that fire is not just a destroyer, but also a creator of wonders. In the hands of an experienced master who knows exactly what he's doing, the flames can produce true masterpieces. A modern way of watering your garden. Why spend money on expensive bricks when you can stamp this pattern directly into fresh concrete? It gives the same look at just 70% of the cost. A creative sheep figure crafted using spark plugs. Here is a great way to lift heavy pipes with ease. This builder rides an excavator bucket while pouring concrete from 5 meters high. This hack turns any regular room into a magical space by creating cloud effects on the ceiling with cotton and lights. This homemade modification spreads bitumen evenly on gravel roads. It's made from recycled materials and works better than many expensive commercial tools. Excellent work that reflects simplicity and a natural feel. Painting with mittens creates a beautifully smooth finish. It works faster than brushes and delivers stunning results. This man built an aquarium with creativity and pipes. A clever way to lift blocks by creating your own custom crane with basic materials and a straightforward setup. Here's a way to spray paint metal surfaces without having to climb a ladder. Turn construction pipes into stylish and unique furniture with this simple hack. If you don't have anything under your stairs, this storage technique maximizes space with custom cabinetry that uses every centimeter while keeping easy access. I really don't know how they thought of removing shingles with a pitchfork, but just look at how effective it is. He's so talented at restoring stairs that it looks like he enjoys the process more than the job itself. He's truly an engineer at heart. Just look at the incredible table he built with his own hands, and it even has an LED sensor. It looks so smooth. This is what house insulation looks like when a true master gets to work. Who knows how many perfectionists were saved by this hero simply rearranging the papers by color. This massive excavator is so big it makes regular trucks look like Tonka toys. Think it takes 3 people to lift that? Not even close. Watch him handle it solo with an adjustable speed horse. With a few careful strokes, he clears away layers of dust, bringing the grill back to life and restoring its clean, polished look. A smooth way to make corners of the wall. It feels like it's snowing in October.